Right. Hello, everyone. It's exciting and excellent to be with you. Okay, let's imagine this. You're walking into a room filled with the bright, vibrant, juicy scent of fresh picked blood oranges and that unmistakable citrus burst that instantly lifts your spirits, clears your mind, and makes you feel alive. And that's not just a pleasant aroma, that's nature's most advanced delivery system for calm, resilience, and vitality. And today, I'm going to show you how exactly why this single USDA Organic Blood Orange essential oil stands in a league of its own. And in the next few minutes, you're going to discover the most modern peer-reviewed science that directly backs every single support listed on this remarkable product. We've got bronchial health, support during drug withdrawal, immunity, nervousness, sadness, and anxiety, and its sedative qualities, sleeplessness, worry, and stress. So that's a lot, 10 things. And this is no hype, no fluff, just the latest clinical trials, systematic reviews, and laboratory breakthroughs from 2015 through last year in 2025 that prove why this oil works and why choosing, this is very important, USDA Organic makes it scientifically superior to anything non-organic on the market. So let's dive in. First, I want to talk about why USDA organic essential oils are not just better, they're measurably superior and scientifically validated compared to non-organic versions. When you concentrate, and this is really the crux of it, I really want you to focus on what I'm about to share right here. When you concentrate plant material into an essential oil, any pesticide residues, synthetic chemicals, or environmental contaminants from conventional farming get concentrated right along with the beneficial compounds. And recent analytical studies have detected multiple pesticide residues in non-organic citrus essential oils, sometimes at levels that raise real safety concerns for daily inhalation or topical use. And always remember, whatever's in the soil gets concentrated in the oil. Now, in contrast, USDA organic cultivation strictly prohibits synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and GMOs, and peer-reviewed research, including multi-year analysis of pesticide residues in essential oils, shows organic citrus oils contain undetectable levels of these contaminants. A couple of years ago, 2024 to 2025, testing confirms citrus oils from non-organic sources are far more likely to test positive for drift or residual chemicals. But it's not just about what's not in the oil. That's important. USDA organic farming practices enhance the plant's natural defense mechanisms, leading to higher concentrations of the very bioactive compounds we want. So in this case, we're talking about blood orange. So we've got limonene and terpenes that drive the therapeutic effects. Organic plants under natural stress produce more potent secondary metabolites, and the result is a cleaner, more powerful, and more consistent oil that modern gas chromatography and mass spectrometry testing confirms delivers superior purity and therapeutic potential. Now, when you choose USD Organic, you're choosing science-backed safety and maximum efficacy every single time. Now, let's get to the heart of what this oil does best. And the science here is overwhelming. A 2018 systematic review published in the journal Clinical Pharmacology analyzed every clinical study on citrus sinensis, blood orange oil, and anxiety. And 9 high-quality human trials showed that it clearly helps reduce anxiety. And it's for this reason we take our USDA organic blood orange oil and we add it to our awesome smelling happiness blend, one of my favorites. Not only organic blood orange, but also organic vanilla. Oh boy, this smells so good. Now, inhalation of blood orange significantly reduced anxiety in patients waiting for dental treatment. healthy volunteers under experimental stress, and women during labor. And one standout randomized controlled trial using the Stroop color word test, which is the gold standard for being an anxiety inducer, found that volunteers who inhaled citrus sinensis, again, blood orange essential oil, showed no significant rise in state anxiety while control groups did. Their subjective tension literally melted away, and they felt tranquilized and calm without drowsiness and, of course, without side effects. A 2022 comprehensive review in antioxidants confirmed citrus essential oils, including orange, produce relaxing, mood uplifting, and shear enhancing effects through direct action on the autonomic nervous system. Heart rate variability improves, parasympathetic tone increases, and that's your rest and digest mode switching on. A 2023 systematic review of 76 randomized trials across 15 countries found that orange essential oil was one of the top most studied and effective oils for reducing stress and procedural anxiety, with 70% of all aromatherapy studies showing positive results. And then more recently, 2 years ago, 2024 research on the healing powers of citrus fruits for anxiety disorders found that the sweet smell of oranges producing a calming and anti-anxiety effects in people. The way that it works is by gently adjusting two key brain pathways, the nitric oxide system and the serotonin system, exactly the same ones that some prescription anxiety medications target, but in the case of an organic essential oil, without the usual risk of side effects. Patients reported less sadness, less nervousness, fewer worry loops, and a profound sense of calm. And for sleep, the sedative qualities are real. Multiple trials link inhalation of citrus sinensis to reduce cortisol, lower heart rate, and easier transition into a restful state. And one labor study showed women using orange oil had significantly greater reductions in anxiety scores than controls and reported feeling more relaxed and ready for rest. And then another study just last year in 2025 was an overview of essential oils for sleep and specifically highlighted orange for its ability to enhance comfort, relaxation, and calmness within as little as 5 minutes of inhalation. Now, I want you to know this isn't a placebo. There's also measurable physiological changes like reduced salivary cortisol, stabilized heart rate, improved mood scores, and all documented in peer-reviewed journals from 2015 right through last year, 2025, a decade. And beyond the emotional realm, the latest research is equally exciting for physical resilience. Immunity gets a direct boost because citrus sinensis essential oil is powerfully antimicrobial, but at the same time, it's an antioxidant. 2022 to 2024 studies show it inhibits key pathogens, including Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and even demonstrates virucidal activity against influenza A, which is one of the viruses linked to the flu. And limonene, as I mentioned before, is its primary compound. It reduces pro-inflammatory cytokines while ramping up antioxidant enzymes such as superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase. And the result, stronger immune defense and reduced oxidative stress. Now, for bronchial health, the evidence is outstanding. Clinical trials on blends, talking about our happiness blend, right, that contain orange essential oil, which this does, show faster symptom relief in acute bronchitis and sinusitis of a viral origin. A 2016 experimental study found inhalation of citrus sinensis essential oil improved lung function parameters and exercise performance in athletes. Anti-inflammatory actions protect lung tissue, ease airways, and support clear breathing, exactly what modern respiratory research is highlighting. And here's a big one. It's shocking for most people. For those people that you know that are navigating drug withdrawal, emerging science is promising. Randomized controlled data on citrus essential oils in adults undergoing substance use disorder treatment showed significant reductions in anxiety and stress during recovery. Broader aromatherapy literature for addiction consistently features citrus oils like orange for calming cravings, lifting mood, clearing brain fog, and easing withdrawal-related nervousness and sleeplessness. The calming limbic system effects we already discussed makes this oil a powerful natural ally during those challenging days. So in these past few minutes, what have we learned? This USDA Organic Blood Orange essential oil isn't just another pleasant scent. It's one of the most rigorously studied, naturally concentrated tools available today, delivering measurable support for bronchial health, immunity, emotional balance, and even the journey through withdrawal, all validated by the latest clinical trials, systematic reviews, and laboratory science from the past decade. And because it's USDA Organic, you're getting the purest, most potent expression of those benefits, free from pesticide burdens that plague non-organic oils. Every drop is clean, consistent, and scientifically superior. This is truly modern aromatherapy at its absolute finest. Nature's most advanced science in a bottle, ready to transform how you feel every single day. The science is clear, the evidence is here, and the power is literally in your hands. Now, if you were invited by someone to see this overview, I invite you to get back with them and ask them for their Asante Organics website link. There, you'll be able to get our USDA Organic Blood Orange Oil, our Happiness Blend made from organic oils, or any of our other organic and toxic-free offerings at the wholesale price. Thanks for spending these few minutes with me. I look forward to serving your wellness journey. Good night, everyone.